Hello learners, in the previous video we have already discussed 5 important rules of agreement of verbs. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, do check it out. Today in part 2, we will continue with some more rules that are equally important and will make very easy for you all to solve the exercise. So, rule number 6. If you see the words like many, a few, several, both, then we will put plural verb. For example, many of these children were absent yesterday. A few of these houses are still under construction. Several of the shops are closed today. Both the guests have arrived. Rule number 7. Plural nouns with singular meaning, some nouns end with s but refers to a single object. मतलब जिसमें नाउन प्लूरल फॉर्म में होता है और s भी रहता है लेकिन उसे सिंगुलर माना जाता है. For example, physics is an important subject. The United States is a powerful country. The news is read out every day. Mathematics is fun. Rule number 8. Some nouns are always taken as plurals. मतलब object wise वो singular है but act as plural. For example, his jeans are new. Rima's spectacles are broken. His scissors are very sharp. Rule number 9. If we talk about distance, weight, sum of money, period of time, then we will put singular verb. For example, 400 km is a long distance to travel. Rupees 1000 is needed to buy the books. 50 kg is the maximum weight of the luggage. Rule number 10. A collective noun is considered as a single unit. So the verb used is singular. That means जितना भी collective noun है उसे singular assume किया जाता है. For example, the herd of cows is grazing on the field. The pack of cards is kept on the table. So I hope your concept is clear and you have enjoyed testing your knowledge and have learned new rules. So if this was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye for now. See you again.